People don't expect miracles from politicians, but they do expect a level of respect, compassion and fairness, and a basic level of competence. Yet what have we got? Cameron's chaos, more budget blundering, and a government which seems more out of touch with ordinary people than ever. They're fighting with hard-working junior doctors in England, and to top it off, civil war on Europe. Again, it is bad for business, bad for communities, bad for Wales. You know what, though? Politicians are not all the same.
I got into politics to try to help people, to create a fairer society. We're on a different path from the Tories in England. A path which tries to unite rather than divide, which gives opportunity to all, not just the few, and which rewards those who work hard in our communities. This is a journey we're on together for Wales. We've had to make some tough choices over the course of the last 5 years, but what we've never done is to turn people against each other, or indeed to balance the books on the backs of those who are the lowest paid. I'm proud of the jobs that we've brought into Wales, the skills that we've made sure our people are able to get, the fact we've got the best GCSE results ever and we're building schools in Wales, the fact that we're seeing improvements in stroke and cancer care in Wales, and the fact that we never privatise our NHS. We've delivered in tough times. We know that there's more to do, but we have the energy and the passion and the ideas to make sure that Wales continues on the right path. Well, we're going to offer free childcare for working parents who have 3- and 4-year-old children, 100,000 apprenticeships for people of all ages, a new treatments fund in the NHS, tax cuts for small businesses, £100 million extra for our schools, and doubling the capital limit for those people who need to go into residential care. The stakes in this election have never been higher. Welsh Labour, who can deliver prosperity and security, or importing Cameron's chaos into Wales with the help of some of the other parties. Wales has been on the right path for the last 5 years. What we're saying to people is we need a Welsh Labour government for the next 5 years to take Wales forward.
Together for Wales, that's what Welsh Labour believe in. Clear leadership, a clear sense of direction, delivering a fair deal for all of our communities. Join us on that path. Together for Wales,